Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is articles a and the. Already from first standard you all have learnt articles. You all know that which are the articles a and the and when these articles are used. The words a, an and the are called articles. Articles come before nouns. Articles can be divided into two types, indefinite and definite. The words a and an are called indefinite articles and the word the is called the definite article. See one example. Last night we had been to a party. A is used before a consonant, party. It starts with P. The food was very bad. The is used before food. Number 2. We saw a movie last Sunday. It was the worst movie we had ever seen. Now see example 3. Mrs. N is an English teacher. N is used before a vowel E. She is the best teacher in our school. Now the article a is used before a singular countable noun. Listen children carefully. The article a is used before a singular countable noun. You all have learned countable and uncountable nouns. Countable noun means it can be counted, and uncountable noun means the thing you cannot count. A is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound, and article an is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. We also use a and n when we refer to a countable noun for the first time. When there is an adjective before a noun, the article a or n should be placed before it. The article the is used. Now see, when the is used, when you mention or refer to someone or something again and again, when you are repeating. We also use the to refer to specific nouns, either singular or plural. The article the is used with the names of oceans, rivers, group of islands, canals, musical instruments, special buildings, monuments, hills, mountains, newspapers, holy books, directions, designations, countries such as USA and UK, when there is only one thing of its kind. It is used before superlatives and ordinal numbers also. The article the is used with the adjectives to refer to a whole group of the people. It is also used with decades. Now listen children, when we do not use articles, when with the names of languages, countries, abstract nouns, shops, uncountable nouns, I already told you there, uncountable nouns such as water, salt, sugar, which you cannot count, there is no need of using an article. Regular places of visit such as school, college, church, names of individual mountains or islands, academic subjects, names of people, meals of the day, years, sports and games, material nouns and professions. In these items there is no use of articles. With abbreviations we decide on the article a or n depending on whether the word starts with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. See over here, the example is given, NMLA. See, word starts with consonant, that is M, but still N article is used. Why? Because M is made up of two sounds A and M. We pronounce it as an M, that's why. A USA ambassador. Here the word starts with an vowel U, but still A article is used because U has a Y sound. This is the difference in somewhere. How it pronounced, it depends on the pronunciation. According to that, we have to put an article A or N.